So this is a two-part workflow that is going to ultimately send a daily email showing you the coupon codes that were used in your Shopify store. So the first part is that we're simply going to trigger on order created and save that coupon data into our database, our data store. And here's what that looks like, just as in terms of the raw data. These are default fields, and then these are the fields that we've defined to populate. And the second workflow is going to run on a daily schedule, and it is going to just query this database. Here's the query. You're not going to have to figure that one out. You can use this template, obviously. And here's what that query looks like, right? So it's grouping by the coupon codes and counting up the totals. Now this empty one here is just because there was no coupon code used. So we could obviously improve this, make this a little bit smoother to use. But anyways, we're querying that data back out of the database, and then we're sending an email. And here's the template for that email. And here's what that email is going to look like. So hope that helps. Let us know if you'd like any help setting that up. You can always go to docs.getmesa.com and check out this demos list and see these demos here if you want to grab the template to install that. You could also email me and I'll help you out.